Good afternoon, sir. Today I will presenting the process of generating AOL Excel from the list of outcome units into 10 different Excel files, importing the 10 different files into master list and Power BI dashboard, which I created from the master list dataset. The purpose of the project was to take raw data collected from multiple Excel forms and transform it into an interactive dashboard. The dashboard needed to show performance trends across courses, measures, locations, and competencies, and highlight any cases where results fell below the benchmark of 75% for mids plus exits. I'll walk through the process I follow to build the dashboard, and then I show you insights it provides. I started by converting the AOL docs into an Excel, and this is the Excel file that I created, and this is the list of outcome units that include the 10 different data, and this is the button that include the VBA code in that I use the AI to generate it for me. When you click that, you have to select the template file. Yes, and then you click the folder that you want to put the file in, and it will generate 10 different files. Yes, and it take about 10 seconds to generate those file. Yes, and when it finish, it will show on the screen that AOL successfully generated 10 files, stuff like that. Yes, it is processing now. Yes, it show. Yes, it finished. So click OK, and this is all the 10 file. Yes, but this is not fill because we have to send this to a convener to fill this for us. But because of this assignment, we have to pretend it to be a convener. So like if like I don't have time for fill it in the video, so I completed before, and also create the formula as well. And this is those 10 files that I created include the the same name. Yeah, and this is what I already feel. Yeah, so close it first. Yeah, so the next step is I consolidating those 10 files into one single file, master file. Yes, by clicking the button as well, and this is it empty. Yes, so when I click it, it will ask us to choose the folder. So I choose AOL report, and it in the process now. It will take about 10 seconds as well to complete the process as well, and it in processing as well. Yes, our form imported successfully into master list, and this is all the 10 different files into one single file. Yes. After that, I then imported the master list into Power BI, but with different master list. It's not the same file. It's not this file. A different file. It's this one. I have to import this file into Power BI. Yes. Yes, and this is the Power BI that I created before the video as well. Like in the mode of view, I confirmed that my fields were correctly recognized. For example, like year and study period as categories and performance percentages as numeric values. To make the analysis possible, I create new measures in Power BI. The most important one was mid exit percentage, which add together the mid percentage and exit percentage value for each row. This allowed me to directly check against the 75% benchmark. I also created a helper measure called benchmark check, which flag whether a row is below 75% or mid benchmark. Next, I build a separate lookup table called competency hierarchy, which link each competency to its area and category. For example, like professional skill to digital literacy to technological competency. In the module view, I created a 1, 2, many relationship from competency in the hierarchy table to competency in the master list. Then let me drill down from category to area to competency in my visuals. And finally, I build require visuals like trend by year and study period, yearly trend by course level, by location, by measure, by competencies, drill down competency, hierarchy, and an outline highlight to show where mid plus exit person fall below 75%. I also set up slicers so user can filter the dashboard by measure, outcome units, or course level. Now let me take you through the dashboard in detail. Each visual was designed to answer a specific question about student performance as well. And the first one is trend of data by year and study period. This one. I use the line chart and it tracks performance over multiple years and across study periods. It helps us answer like question like are students improving over time? Are some student study periods consistently stronger or weaker? For example, like we might see the performance dips in some study periods across several years, which could suggest timing or overload or workload issues. And the next one is yearly trend by course level. Here, I compare the undergraduate and postgraduate students. This answer like does course level influence like likelihood of meeting or exceeding the expectations. If undergraduate consistently perform well over, it could point to a need for more fundamental support. And next one is yearly trend by locations. This visual break performance down by delivery location. It help identify whether the contact, for example, like Hawthorne, Hawthorne or Hanoi or ACM or Sarawak or SOL, stuff like that. Yes, if one location consistently fall below benchmark, that signal a resource or delivery issue at that site. Next one is yearly trend by measure. Measure are important and another important lens. These charts show which disciplines are strong and which ones struggle. For instance, a measure that dip below benchmark over several years might require curriculum review or targeted interventions. Yes, next one is trend by competency. Yes. Um, Competency are the skills students are expected to develop. This visual show whether certain competency are consistently stronger or weaker across the student cohort. For example, like technological may track well, this one, the red one, but communication using different media may lag behind, highlight skill gaps. Yeah. And next one is competency hierarchy drag down, which is this one. This is where competency hierarchy table become powerful. User can start from a broad category like professional skills and drill into communication, and communication drill into communication using different media or verbal communication, yeah, and stuff like that. And this multi-level view ensures stakeholder can see both the big picture and fine detail. And next one is how outlier highlight the benchmark check. Finally, the dashboard highlight outlier using the conditional formatting. Any unit where it sits plus mids percentage fall below 75 is clearly flagged. This makes it easier for these decision makers to immediately see where attention is needed most without scanning through every number. Together, this visual creates a complete story from broad program trends down to specific skills, while also pointing directly to the units and area like areas that need improvement. For the red one is for below 75%, and I set the green one for mid the benchmarks. Yep. From the analysis, oh, yes, a few key insights stand out. Certain measures are consistently under the benchmark, while others show strong performance across study periods. Location also influences results, with some delivery context performing better. Competency analysis shows that some skill area, such as communication using different media, need targeted improvement. In conclusion, this project demonstrates how raw form data can be transformed into a meaningful interactive dashboard. By consolidating data, creative measure, building hierarchies, and designing visuals, I was able to provide stakeholders with tool that highlight trend and pinpoints outlier. The main value is that this dashboard not only report number but also have guide data driven decisions about causes, measures, and competencies. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for your listening.